When you try to do emote on Roblox, is it saying switch to your R15 avatar to play emote? In this video, I will show you how can you do emote without having any problem. To fix the problem, open your Roblox. Now go to this avatar option, then tap on customize. From here, select the head and body option. Then from the second line, find and tap on the build option. Then scroll down, there you will find the R15 option. Select it. To check R15 option is enabled or not, go to this emote option and emote here. If you can emote here, that means the R15 option is enabled. Now start a game and try to do emote. Here, as you can see, I can use emote. The error has gone. If you still cannot do emote, that's mean the game doesn't support emote. Try to do emote in a different game. If any game doesn't support emote, there you can use this command to play emote. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.